Sysdev is a company skilled in the development of innovative solutions for structural monitoring. It is now introducing the application of the SHBox system. In collaboration with ANAS, the installation has been carried out on a viaduct of the Torino-Caselle motorway junction. The system is made up of wireless multi-sensor nodes capable of measuring at the same time and at the same point deformation, displacement, temperature, inclination and seismic event of the structural element where they have been installed. The acquired data are sent to a software platform for testing and processing through a network infrastructure based on the latest generation gateways. Gateways communicate with the multi-sensor nodes through the LoRa standard and through the software platform via the mobile network. In the case of an electricity blackout, they can be powered by solar panels. Multi-sensor nodes are very low energy consumption. Therefore, they are powered by long-lasting batteries that guarantee continuity of service. Their installation is simple and non-invasive. It is done by gluing with a structural adhesive on a properly prepared and clean surface. A single node is capable of detecting a multitude of parameters and to identify the displacements and deformations of the structure on significant sections in order to obtain a schematic reconstruction of the overall deformed configuration of the work. The nodes are comparable to a cloud of points of dynamic measurement that constantly update the structural digital model that has been built on them and interpolated. The positioning of multi-sensor nodes on the structure is defined by a deployment plan drawn up by an expert in structural subjects. The document contains the monitoring logics and the positioning of each node on the structure. This information is provided to installers for proper installation of the system. You can access the software platform simply by a browser through an effective and powerful graphical interface. The data of the single multi-sensor nodes can be evaluated individually or re-aggregated dynamically through physical and statistical interpretative models. It is possible to modify by remote the operating parameters of the individual nodes to change the monitoring logics applied on the structure. The platform also implements the visualization and navigation on the 3D model of the monitored structure. Therefore, it is possible to evaluate the structural health of the work through the color assumed by the single structural elements. This color can vary from green to highlight a normal state to yellow and red to show the achievement of an anomalous or out-of-range value. Thanks to SHBox, it is possible to reconstruct over time the structural progress of the work and reduce the number of visual inspections in order to limit them to the most critical cases reported by the system. SHBox, the first black box for infrastructure.